Hi. Welcome to Portal 7. Do you want to speed up your search process by adding a search bar on Windows desktop? Then you are at right video. In this video I will show you how to add Google search box on desktop in Windows PC. For that, open Microsoft Edge. From right top of menu bar, click on three dots. Click on Settings. In Settings panel choose Privacy, Search and Services. Here choose last option, Search and Connected Experiences. Here choose Address bar and Search. Here we can see default search engine is Bing, which you can change. Even if you don't change, search bar will still work according to that search engine. Here I will set Google as default search engine. Now click on three dots again. Now locate more tools and click on Launch Search Bar. Now you can minimize or close browser. Search bar is on desktop. You can move it, drag it and place it at your specific location. Now you can search anything from here. Even if your browser is closed, it will work. So this way you can speed up your search task without opening browser. If you want to close this search bar, then click on three dots and choose last option, Close Search Bar. You can check and turn off auto launch option if you don't wish to see it on desktop after device reboot. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.